Hey everybody, I am here to walk you through today how to set up a project in BuilderComs. Are you sick and tired of construction management software that is just super complicated to use, complex, and just a problem for everybody on your team? Well, I have exciting news for you. BuilderComs is here. It is a simple construction management software that was designed by myself for the construction industry. As you can tell, I'm just a guy from the industry that ended up building software for it. And today I'm super excited to show you how to create that project in BuilderComs. I'm going to create a project here in BuilderComs. And as you can see, we're in the BuilderComs dashboard here. Got create project, super easy. Click on that. It's going to take us into the area where we can either enter in a new customer, create a new customer, put all of the project details and everything in there. And that's what we're simply going to do here. What we do is I'll just add a customer in here. Say this is John New. Put in a phone number for him. And then, of course, an email address. And then, if you want to put an address and everything in for them as well, you can. But what we'll do is we'll add this customer in here. Now, we have this project starting. This is a landscaping project. Right, and we will be doing new March out front of home. And we can select a start date if we would like to. Let's just say we're going to be doing this after July 4th. It's going to be a one-day project. Let's add some supporting documents in there to this project. And we have the proposal right here. So that proposal just got loaded up in here, so it's now part of this project. Let's add some images in there as well. Let's see, we have some images that we're going to upload that show what the area is, where we're doing this work. All right, and you can add a detail in here. This is the area. I'll add those images to this project. So now those are in there. We're going to let's add a crew lead. Well, I don't need to add a new one. I just click right here. Zach would be the foreman and Ron would be out there with them. Confirm that. And I create this project right in here. Now, once this project is created, the homeowner as well, where if they're already on BuilderComs, it automatically goes in the app for them. If not, they get an email to download the app. And when they log in, they see the proposal. They see the pictures that you've taken, all the documentation around that project. And it allows you to now open the lines of communication there all in one place. As easy as that to create a project in BuilderComs. Now, when I go back into the projects, you'll see that landscaping project is right here with that homeowner. We'll go in and view it, all the pictures that I've already uploaded, as well as who's assigned to it. It has that start date there.
Introducing BuilderComs, your all-in-one construction communication software. Say goodbye to communication mishaps that cause frustration among builders, contractors, and clients. The BuilderComs platform unifies communications, making it easy for you to chat, share updates, and collaborate effectively in one place. Experience the transformation in construction project management with BuilderComs. Visit us at buildercoms.com to learn more and start streamlining your projects today.